Welcome to your step-by-step guide on becoming a notary public in the state of Kansas. Throughout this presentation, we will walk through the requirements, application steps, bonding, costs, and supplies you need to officially receive your notary commission. By the end, you will know exactly how to begin notarizing legally and confidently in the Sunflower State. Here is your complete path to becoming a Kansas notary. First, you will confirm that you meet Kansas eligibility requirements. Next, you will complete the Kansas Notary Public application. After that, you will obtain the required surety bond. Once bonded, you will submit your application, bond, and filing fee to the Kansas Secretary of State. After approval, you will receive your commission certificate and purchase your required notary supplies so you can begin notarizing. To start the process, you must meet Kansas eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, be a United States citizen or legal resident, and be a resident of Kansas, or live in a bordering state while regularly conducting business in Kansas. You must also have no felony convictions or crimes involving fraud or dishonesty. Kansas does allow certain qualified out-of-state applicants who meet business and residency-related requirements. Once eligibility is confirmed, you will complete the Kansas Notary Public application. The appointment form is available through the Kansas Secretary of State's website and must be completed accurately with your personal and contact information. Kansas does not require a written exam or mandatory training to become a notary, although optional courses are available for those who want additional education. Next, you will obtain your required $7,500 surety bond. This bond is required by Kansas law and protects the public if an error, omission, or misconduct occurs during a notarization. The bond must remain active for the entire 4-year commission term. Although the bond amount is $7,500, the typical cost to the notary is usually between $50 and $100 through a licensed bonding or insurance provider. After securing your bond, you will submit your completed application, your surety bond, and the required filing fee to the Kansas Secretary of State. The filing fee is $25 and must be included with your submission. All documents are submitted by mail, and processing times may vary depending on application volume. Once your application is approved, you will receive your official notary commission certificate. This certificate confirms your authority to perform notarial acts in Kansas and is valid for 4 years. After receiving your commission, you can move forward with obtaining your notary supplies so you are fully prepared to begin notarizing. Your essential Kansas notary supplies include a Kansas-compliant notary seal or stamp. The seal must include your name, the words Notary Public, the state of Kansas, and your commission expiration date. While not required by Kansas law, a notary journal is strongly recommended to maintain accurate records of all notarial acts and provide added protection. The total cost to become a notary public in Kansas depends on your supply choices and whether you add optional training. Typically, the total investment ranges from approximately $110 to $230. This includes the application fee, surety bond, seal or stamp, journal, and optional education. Kansas also allows remote online notarization, known as RON, under specific state regulations. To perform remote notarizations, you must hold an active Kansas Notary Commission, complete state-approved RON training and an exam, and register with an approved technology provider that complies with Kansas law. Remote notarization allows added flexibility and the ability to charge permitted fees for online notarizations. Kansas notary commissions are valid for 4 years. To avoid any lapse in your authority to notarize, it is important to begin the renewal process before your commission expires. Renewal requires submitting a renewal application, obtaining a new $7,500 surety bond for the next term, and paying the renewal fee to the Kansas Secretary of State. Certain individuals are not eligible to become a Kansas notary. This includes applicants with felony convictions involving fraud, dishonesty, or moral turpitude, individuals who do not meet Kansas residency or employment location requirements, and those who do not meet the age or citizenship qualifications. Overall, becoming a Kansas Notary Public is a valuable opportunity to serve your community, expand your professional skills, and build a trusted role as a public official. With a minimum investment of around $110, a maximum of about $230, and a 4-year commission term, you can begin your notarial journey with confidence by following the proper steps and understanding Kansas requirements. If you have any questions about the process of becoming a notary or any other notary-related questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Notary Public Association support staff.